Do trees speak? Do flowers dream? What do the birds sing about? Walk alongside Suprabha Seshan in the rainforest and you will learn that most questions about nature can be answered just by walking quietly, paying attention and listening. That is all she has done since she was a child and a wanderer of wild spaces. A long-term custodian of the Gurukula Botanical Sanctuary in Kerala, Suprabha and her team have painstakingly brought back to Gurukula lands a habitat that supports a myriad of plant life, enriching the microclimate and the water table. Almost like magic, many lost native animals, birds and insects returned, some of them considered locally extinct. An educator and restoration ecologist, down the decades, Suprabha has designed multiple programs that moved her students to protect, preserve, and nurture the last of the region's biodiversity. Most importantly, Suprabha's restoration and land management activities have effectively convinced local communities how crucial their role is in preserving their own landscapes and how they stand to benefit directly from the rebirth of wild nature. Unanswered though the questions may be on the dreaming flowers and conversing trees, Suprabha's resolute work confirms that as long as our wild spaces are protected, we will have the time to know. For her invaluable contributions, we honor her with the Sanctuary Green Teacher Award 2022.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.